Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2004 Jack Roush Stage 1 40th Anniversary for Mustang Edition. This one has the Pro Charger installed and a 5-speed manual transmission. Is painted in crimson red with the medium parchment interior. We'll start here at the rear, so take a look at the trunk. So there's underneath your trunk lid, inside your trunk, you get a nice spacious capacity here. Over here, you're gonna see an antenna. That's the factory antenna. Right now it's got a short antenna installed. I'll lift up here, and you can see it's got the spare tire under here. And now we'll close the trunk lid there. We'll take a zoom out here so you can see. If you look up here, you can see the over-the-top race stripes, and they're done in the Arizona beige. There's your interior. It has the upgraded Mach stereo system, so you can see the speaker grills back in the package tray there. And your stripes continue down all the way to the rear of the vehicle. You're gonna see the Roush rear deck lid spoiler. It looks really neat. You got the iconic Mustang tail lights, Mustang, and then Roush spelled out on the bumper of the car. All right, we'll spin the wheels around. You're gonna notice the exhaust doesn't come out the back. It comes out the side of the car here. So really cool feature, side exit exhaust. Take a look at the wheels here. So we have the Roush wheels, and these are the upgraded 18-inch chrome billet wheels. They look really cool. You can see they shine really well. We have Continental tires on the car. And see if I can grab a tire size here for you. It's a 295/35 ZR18. So again, 18-inch rim. 4-wheel disc brakes. You can see the red brake calipers. And we'll take a look at the front wheel here. So you can see the red brake calipers coming through. Again, really cool. 5-spoke Roush wheels, and then the front tires is 265/35 ZR18 as well. All right, we'll make our way to the interior now. So again, medium parchment interior. So you're gonna see a two-tone design. So you got the darker finish right in the armrest there. We have power locks and power windows. Your Mach stereo system, like I said, and we got the carpet down below. Take a look at the dash on this side here. So again, the two-tone design and the Mustang script there. Take a look at the glove box. It does have the owner's manual on there. Show you the door jambs over here. They look good. And then here's your Roush serial number. So it's unique to the car, showing that it is a rear Roush. Has been through Roush. And then here's your rear seat. It looks great. And they are leather seats as well. Carpeted floor mats. And here's your seats. And we'll scan the seat here. See, they look great. Again, the leather looks great. And nice headrest. And then you got the Mustang pony embroidered in the back of the seat there. We'll go ahead and close that door. We'll take a look at that spoiler from this angle. You can see how cool it looks there. It really has some flair to it. And we'll walk down here. You can see the Jack Roush right on the window there. Again, the over-the-top stripes done in Arizona beige. You got the body-colored side mirrors here. Body-colored door handles. You got the side scoops here. And it does have the full body kit on it from Roush as well. So the rear bumper. The side pieces down here with the side exit, and you're going to see the stripe down below as well, matching over the top, and it says Roush right on the side there. 40th anniversary Mustang badge there, and you can see how shiny the paint is. You can see all the reflections in the background, and here we go. There's my hand, so just like a mirror. Great. Again, the front bumper is also part of the body kit. You got the fog lights down there, really nice bright headlights there. Down below you can see the intercooler peeking through there, and underneath here is your engine compartment. So the Mustang hood liner there. And then here's your engine itself. It's a 4.6 liter 16 valve V8 single overhead cam with a Pro Charger installed. So there's your Pro Charger right there. And there's your air intake system. And it does have an intercooler as well. Down below, I don't know if you can see, but it does have BBK stainless steel long tube headers, and it does have a BBK H pipe as well, Dynomax mufflers, and the side exit exhaust. All right, we'll put this hood down. Excuse my camera angle there. Close that hood. Now we'll take a look at the front here. So we'll come into the hood now. You can see how beautiful the paint is. Color looks great. Here's your hood scoop, your stripes. Paint is nice and shiny, as you can see. Now you're gonna see a little bit of touch-up spots there, a little bit around the car. They are there, but the car looks very presentable. All right, let's take a look at the front wheel here. You can see it looks great. And then the last wheel here. Again, the side exit exhaust on both sides of the car. Back to the door panel, so same as the other side. You got the Mach stereo system here. You got your power mirror functions here. You got power locks and power windows. Another speaker grill down there. Show you the rear seat on this side. There we are. Check out the door jambs while we're here. So nice and clean. And the dash from this side. Down below pedals, you got the nice aluminum racing pedals. We got the clutch there as well. It is a manual transmission. And then we have the carpeted floor mats. Power driver's seat, the functions are right at the front here. And let's scan the seat here. There we are. Okay, we'll hop in the car now. And we'll start over here. So you got your headlight controls here. We got your vent down here. Right here, there's your windshield wipers. It does have a tilt wheel. There's your control there that tilts. We have stereo controls on your wheel. Sorry, this is cruise control on both sides here. And then we have keys. So we'll turn it on. So it actually has keys here. Put it in and let's start the car. Make sure it's in neutral here and we'll start it up. All right, right upon fire up, you can hear that Pro Charger whistling. Here's your gauges. So we got white face gauges by Roush. Really cool gauge design. Mileage on this car is 23,984 miles. So really low kilometer car. Again, that's in miles, not kilometers, but still a very low mileage car. Coming up here is your rearview mirror. There's your Mustang right in the windshield there. Down here we got your vents, and then we got your climate control there. Here's your stereo system with a 6-disc CD changer. You got traction control, that's rear defog, and your lights. And here's a 40th anniversary plaque there, 12-volt socket. And then here is your 5-speed manual transmission by Roush, and it is a short throw shifter as well. So really cool race inspired, really fun to drive. Your manual e-brake handle, little change pocket there, and we got 2 cup holders. And this one is removable if you have a larger cup as well. We got a console here. I'll open this up. Flips this way, put my hand in here so you can see how deep it is, and we got a 12-volt socket there. Okay, we'll open the door up now, turn on the headlights. You can hear already that the car is nice and whistling now, and let's give it a few revs. Again, the exhaust is right here, right below. Now let's do one good one here. All right, let's hop out of the car now. Again, I got the lights on. We'll make our way to the front of the car. You can see the headlights look great. And you can just hear that car whistling. Nothing like a Pro Charger. Turn the car around, we'll show you the rear tail lights. Now let's listen to the exhaust here, just idling. Wonderful. Here's your tail lights coming around here. It's just a fun little Mustang to cruise around in. So here we have it. This is a 2004 Ford Mustang Jack Roush Stage 1 with the 40th anniversary Mustang package. And with the additional Pro Charger and a 5-speed manual installed. This one is painted in the crimson red with the medium parchment interior. This is here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come down and have a look at this one for yourself. We look forward to seeing you real soon.